morning, students. Today we will discuss about the hypersensitivity type 4. Already we had completed three types of hypersensitivities. The three types of hypersensitivities is antibody mediated and also immediate type. This is a type 4 hypersensitivity is a delayed type hypersensitivity and also it is termed it as cell mediated hypersensitivity. Actually, in immediate type, it takes time a hour. Hours time it's taken, but here sometimes it takes weeks of times. That way, for due course of these interactions in the by the immune system. So that's why it is termed as delayed type hypersensitivity (TTH). So here, when we observe, T cells will participate. T cells. That's why it is termed it as cell mediated immunity. So previous three immune systems are antibody mediated immunity. It is also termed it as delayed type hypersensitivity. So delayed type hypersensitivity. So delayed type means delayed type hypersensitivity. And shortly DTH. So delayed type hypersensitivity. So here two types of phases are there. One is sensitization phase. It is a sensitization phase. Next one is effector phase. Sensitization phase. See this rough diagram. Here it is a surface epidermal area. So this is not. So these underline ones not only this. This is so only this region. It is a surface epidermal area. So in this area, antigen presenting cells like macrophages, dendritic cells will engulf the antigen. So from the surface, when a antigen enters, it is these antigens are actually belongs to a chemical, a inorganic substance. So by mixing up by what is called these are attaching to a protein, these turn to as antigens. So when at first it is a maybe inorganic one, maybe when it after enters from the surface, particularly from cutaneous area, so by mixing with the protein molecule, these turn to as antigen. These antigen will identified by the APCs. So APCs are macrophages and also dendritic cells. So after what is called these engulf the antigen. So certainly there is MHC2 is generated on the APCs. So these APCs now move to the lymph node. So there these APCs present these antigen to the T helper cell. These are undifferentiated T helper cell. So here it contains CD4 receptor. So T helper cells contain CD4 receptor. So here MHC2 is generated. So these T helper cells will read the MHC2 receptor. So by releasing these certain type of chemicals, it is differentiated as T helper 1, TH1 cells. T actually CD4 cells are T helpers are there are different types of subsets are there. So subsets it is termed as subsets. So TH1, TH2, TH17 like that different types of subsets are there in the T helper cell. So here it is termed to as TH1 subset cell. So it is also contain MHC2. So these releases chemicals like lymphotoxin, so interferons, interferons gamma, and also lymphotoxins. Lymphotoxins alpha. These are termed as tumor necrosis factor, TNF factors, TNF alpha factors. So when these chemicals will release by the uh, T helper cells, more macrophages will accumulate there. So these macrophages will release as proteases. So proteases will release as where in the lymph node proteases will release. So these proteases makes action on the normal cell. So here it is a normal cell, it is a fibroblast. So normal cell, it is a fibroblast, it is a fibroblast. So fibroblast. So and also in the inner of certain types of normal cells are there. So by the action of macrophages, proteases, these are degenerated. There, these macrophages fused. So here it is fused. It gets the these macrophages get the epithelial shape. Epithelial shape. So not here. So these macrophages will get epithelioid shape means these macrophages got the epithelial shell shape. So here these got the epithelial shell shape and fused there. So this condition is called as granuloma. This condition is termed as granuloma. So when it is what is called it initiation, so when it is there is no problem, just little bit of tissue is damaged. So when it is prolonged, this DTH is prolonged certain weeks, so weeks, months like that, so this leads to the so many of tissue damage. So so here different types of what is called phases are there in this. So one it is contact dermatitis. So here you observe the what is called granuloma formation. So granuloma means it is a normal cell. It is surrounded by the fibroblast. In there, instead of the cells, macrophages fuses. So this by how it is degenerated the normal cells by the proteinase enzymes secreted by the macrophages. So these macrophages will secrete proteases enzymes. So by this, these degenerated and also their macrophages will fuse, fuse there. So it is. So here the cells got the epithelioid shape. Macrophages got the epithelioid shape. So it is and also becomes the palpable nodes. So what is this palpable nodules? Nodules means, so if it is a surface of a skin surface, it is palpable nodules. There is no space. So here it is a skin surface. So this is a skin surface. So on the surface, these by the generation of granuloma, so this leads to the a nodule. Palpable nodules means when you touch, it is in Telugu, it is termed as kaniti, like that. So not a what is called tumor, not a tumor. So less than the tumor. So what is called, it is no a nodule. So there are different examples are there for the type 4 hypersensitivity. Generally, we are what is called, we have frequently observed the contact dermatitis. So contact dermatitis means, so some people are very sensitive for some types of chemicals, some type of soaps particularly. So and also when we some type of metals also, when they are wearing the imitation type of jewelry, this makes allergy. These make allergy to them. So why? Because these allergies will we face because of the contact dermatitis. So and also when certain type of plant chemicals is also makes allergy. So doradugundaku. So when we touch us, make it is itching like that. So these are comes under these examples of this. Here also, so APCs in the APCs what is called they engulf the antigens. So how these metals are chemicals are turned to as antigens by mixing the by mixing with protein molecule attached to the protein molecule. These chemicals will modified as antigens. So these antigens on the surface of APCs, macrophages, and also dendritic cells identifies and also submit to the T cells in the lymph nodes. So what happened there? The cells are activated and expand clonal population. So on the surface of the dermatitis, keratinocytes. It is keratin layer is there. It is maybe damaged by the C8 cells and also NK cells. What is C8? C8 cells? C8 cells are cytotoxic cells. Actually, these C8, CD8 cells will rarely participate in the type 4 hypersensitivity. Majorly T helper 1 cells, majorly macrophages T helper 1 cells will participate. Rarely TH17, TH2, here you observe TH17, TH2 and CD8 plus cell will participate. Actually, these T helper 1 cells will secrete the lytic enzymes. So these lytic enzymes will damage the tissue by what is called generating the granuloma. In granuloma, what happens? A palpable nodule will generate. What is it? I had explained. So this is so you observe here. So it is a sensitization phase. It is a sensitization phase. So it is a UV picture. So a antigen presenting cell, it is macrophage in the surface. So now when it is engulf the antigen, now it is taken this to the lymph node. So there the T helper cells will identify the MHC2 by the CD4 receptor. So there these are modified as T helper 1 cell. So T helper 1 cell. So what happened? It is a sensitization phase. This is the effector phase. So there T helper 1 cell will secrete IFN, interferon gamma, and also TNF alpha. So TNF beta. So immunotoxin. It is a immunotoxin. And also other chemokines will secrete. So these will attract the macrophages. These macrophages get more active. So here you observe, so TNF receptor is there. Tumor necrosis factor receptor is generated on the surface of the macrophages. These releases proteases enzymes. These damaged the tissues and also got epithelial shape and also what happened? Epithelial shape and granuloma will generate. So it is the type 4 hypersensitivity. So you observe also very two stages are there: sensitization phase, effector phase. So it's take more time, 1 to 2 weeks time after the entering of the antigen. So how it is enters the antigen through the epidermis, by the epidermis. So there mainly macrophages and also Langerhans also. These are little bit. So these will submit to the lymph nodes. Lymph node where it is there. So lymph nodes are in armpits, groins areas, and also what is called in jaw areas also lymph nodes will contain. There, these T cells, T helper cells will proliferate to the TH1 cells. So in effector stage phase, What happens? The Th1 cells turn to the Th1 cells and also secretes the interferon gamma lymphotoxin alpha. These are termed as TNF factors. So these actually attracts more macrophages, and also what is called, these macrophages will secrete the lytic enzymes. So these lytic enzymes damage the tissue initially very little, but when it is prolonged conditions, so granuloma will generate. What is granuloma? So I had explained. So what is called the tissue, in tissue cells are degenerated. Also in that macrophages got the epithelioid shapes by fusing, and also a palpable nodule will generate. It is a palpable nodule. Palpable nodule means it is not a tumor, so a small tumor, elevated surface on the skin. So what is the examples for this? Contact dermatitis, Montauk's reaction. So I had explained contact dermatitis. Okay. Thank you very much.